Diamonds are forever, and so is Ric Flair. I'm Ric Flair. The stylin', profilin', limousine riding, jet flying, kiss stealing, wheelin' and dealin' son of a gun. Whether you like it or not, learn to love it, because it's the best thing going. This ain't no garden party, brother, ISIS wrestling, where only the strongest survive. All the women wanna be with me, all the men wanna be like me. To be that man, you've got to beat the man. In my life, I've been a movie star, a rock star, and a sports star, all wrapped up into one and worked harder at it than anybody else. I can take more punishment than anyone in the business. The guy who could be me, but he knows when to draw the line, is John Cena. John Cena can rock and roll, let me tell you. Hell, you're Shawn Michaels, the greatest wrestler of all time.